This is the Flick Allen set that is on the website. I'll be putting a link below. You've got the lowercase, the numbers, and also the uppercase. Start off with a piece of fondant rolled out. Use a scriber tool to get each letter out of the board. Place onto the fondant and push each letter into the fondant so as it makes an indent in the fondant. Remove the letter and you will see the indent in the fondant. Keep doing this with all the letters that you need to make up the word that you want to do. On this one I am doing Adam is 4. There's the Adam. Once you've pushed it all into the fondant, you can do this on the side of a cake, by the way. Get a very fine thin brush and use whatever colour that you want to use to paint. Dab it into the paint and rub the excess off before you start painting, and just paint inside each indent till you get the desired result. There is the 4 all finished. And this is the next part that's all finished, so it says Adam 4. Like I say, you can do this on the side of the cake also.